Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start learning Xhosa with Tandem step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Tandem app from your device's app store. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Choose Xhosa as the language you wish to learn. Fill out your profile with information about your language skills and interests. Use the search feature to find language exchange partners who speak Xhosa. Send a message to potential partners to introduce yourself. Be clear about your learning goals and what you can offer in return. Schedule a time to practice together through text, voice, or video calls. Start with basic greetings and phrases to build your confidence. Ask your partner to correct you and provide feedback on your pronunciation. Explore cultural topics to enhance your understanding of the language. Use the app's built-in translation tools if you encounter unfamiliar words. Practice consistently to reinforce your learning and retention. Engage with various media, such as Xhosa music and films, for immersive exposure. Join community groups within the app to connect with more learners and speakers. Track your progress using the app's features to stay motivated. Reflect on your learning experience and adjust your goals as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.